guys, in this video I want to show you how to stretch your hip flexors. What are your hip flexors? Basically, there's the middle portion of your quad muscle, and then this muscle called your iliopsoas muscle. It's actually two different muscles. One, the psoas portion, is like the shape of a pork tenderloin. It attaches along the front of your spine at various segments. It comes down and it joins a muscle that lines the inside of your pelvis called your iliacus. And they come together and they actually attach on your leg bone in this groin area, okay? And so these get very tight, and when you have a weak core, these get exceptionally tight. And we have to stretch them, because if they're too tight and we're trying to work on our core and strengthen our core, it actually inhibits our ability to do that. So we have to stretch these out. Very important that we have good hip mobility, hip flexibility, so that we can actually train our core properly. So, few different things that you can do. If you have knee problems, knee pain, and kneeling is a problem, even if you put like a towel down or something like that, then you don't have to kneel down. So you can do it in a standing lunge position, which I'm going to show you. And if you really need to stretch them, but you're not in a place that you can kneel down, or you can always do the kind of classic one that people do, is that pulling your foot to your butt. So first we'll start out with that. So, hold on to something. There's no reason why you have to balance. So you're gonna grab your foot in your hand and just pull that heel towards your butt. Now, if you don't have the flexibility for this, your quads are that tight, then put a towel around your ankle and pull that up, okay? You'll know if the quads are tight, your hamstring will cramp, which we don't want, right? So you just pull that heel towards your butt. So looking at it from the front, a lot of people do this when they're stretching their quads. Ineffective. Well, it's not ineffective, but you're not getting as much out of it. So keep those knees together, okay, and really straighten up. So you open up the front of this hip here, and you really feel a nice stretch down the front of the thigh. So if we're going to do this in a standing lunge position, and you can't kneel down, let me just get this back, then all you're going to do is just stand nice and wide in a lunge position. Again, hold on to something, and then just drop into a lunge position. You don't have to do anything else. You're going to feel a great stretch in here, okay? And now to take it a little bit further, now if you're comfortable kneeling, you're just going to go drop right down to that knee on a pillow or rolled up bath towel, something to protect your knee. And then you're just going to hold that for 30 seconds to it. I have really tight quads, and I like to hold it for a while after my workouts, okay? And so then if you feel like you can take this even further, the next level up is then you can pull your foot to your butt in this position and really open that hip up and really get a very deep stretch on the fascia and all those soft tissues deep in the quad and the thigh, okay? And so again, only do this if you really are capable of that flexibility, because you don't want that hamstring to cramp, as you're bringing that foot up, okay? So if you have any questions, make sure you comment below. We're here to help you, and have an awesome day.